Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Ngayon, we're gonna cook another chicken dish. Lagi na lang chicken. Bili pa na tayo nito. This time, it's pineapple chicken. Pininyahang manok. With this is my version. I'm gonna add a little bit of potato and of course pineapple. It's a fresh pineapple. I still have leftover from my fresh pineapple last time, so I'm gonna use it for this dish. Let's start cooking. Guys, I have here tatlong chicken legs. Malalaki. So, ang ginagawa ko para matanggal yung langsa, nilalamas ko muna siya ng asin. And then, siguro mga 1 teaspoon. And then, pagkatapos niyan, i-rinse mo ng maigi para matanggal yung langsa at saka yung asin, yung alat. Okay guys, this one ay ni-rinse ko na ng malamig na tubig. This is ready. I'll just set this aside and mag-prepare ako ng mga ricados. Guys, 2 kutsarang oil, bawang at ginger, 3 cloves of bawang. Pagsamahin na natin, gisa hanggang medyo brown konti. Dagdag natin yung sibuyas, onion, kalahati lang gamit ko. Tapos, lagyan na natin ang manok. These are big chicken legs. You can find the tiny or the smaller chicken grommets. Gisa muna natin saglit. Cover. Then, 1 teaspoon ng patis, fresh sauce, a little bit of salt. You can adjust the seasoning later. Salt and pepper. And a little bit of turmeric. Kunting anghang. Kunti lang. Para hindi masyadong, kasi maanghang to eh. Tapos, halo-halo. Naamoy ko ang patis. Cover, let it cook. Oh no, maybe this time. Dagdag ko na yung kamatis. Let it cook. And water. Bring this to a boil. Pakuluin, tapos pag kumulo, dagdag na natin yung patatas. Tapos, dagdag na natin yung ating patatas. I'm using 2 not so big potatoes. Guys, at this point, dagdag na natin yung ating pinya. These are fresh pineapple leftover. Meron na siyang cilantro. It's like my pan is too small. Okay guys, I transferred it to another bigger saucepan. Glenn said because I kept adding more ingredients. Cook this for another 10 minutes until the chicken is totally cooked at saka yung patatas ay malambot. Nilagay ko na dito yung pinya para talagang magsama-sama sila at totally mag-blend yung flavor. At this point, lagyan na natin ng gata. It's organic coconut milk. Bring this to a simmer and until the potato is not quite cooked yet. So maybe around 5 more minutes. Luto na yung patatas, so dagdag na natin yung bell pepper. These are sweet bell pepper. Like I said, this is my version. Medyo masabaw kasi gusto ko yung sabaw. Sa Bisaya, ibahog sa kanin. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Green onions and cilantro. This is done, guys. Ready to eat.
Okay, it's tasting time. Looks like pretty nice bowl of soup. What do you call it?
Pininyahang manok.
That's what we got here, guys. That's pretty good. Kind of unique. Never had
This one is not the soupy like this, but
never had pineapple with potatoes. Let's see.
you don't have to put potato.
That broth, guys. Nice color. Masarap. Proof.
I know it's supposed to be like not as soupy as this, but gusto ko yung may sabaw. Sanay kami sa may sabaw. Kasi yung lolo ko, originally, taga Bohol. Mahilig sa sabaw. Kaya lumaki kami, mahilig kumain ng may sabaw. Mga tinola. Thanks for watching, guys! Fluidity of life.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the bell button so you get notifications. And give this recipe a try if you haven't.
Bye!